Having a hard time to study? Well, not anymore. Here is a list of 4 habits that are easy to follow and can transform your personality dynamically. Success stories aren't made overnight. To become something someday, you need to do something every day. You need to be consistent to be successful. Time management is one of the most deciding traits shown by successful students. If you want to be successful, divide your time as per your needs, prioritize your schedule, and you will see amazing results. You should understand that satisfaction is a myth. Successful students put their every single bit of effort to improve upon their work. So, if you wish to be successful, you need to show perseverance. Wish to be successful? Then first be helpful to your classmates and friends. Practice these 4 habits every day to become successful and ace your exams this year. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Good luck!